let's go to learn the clock learning.
Yes.
The clock learning. Where is the 1 o'clock?
1, 2.
1 o'clock.
Show me the 1 o'clock.
I said the small
Small hand of the clock. Put
1
in the
o'clock.
one. Ayan,
6
perfect.
o'clock.
6.
Oh yes, 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock.
Mali 2.
Yeah, 6 o'clock.
6.
Show me the 6 o'clock.
Very good.
Perfect.
Where is the 10 o'clock?
Okay, 10 o'clock. Put in the 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Nice, very good. Where's the 4 o'clock?
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Very good, very good.
Nice job.
Okay, let's go to the 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
Very good. Nice yan. 12 o'clock. About 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Your favorite
8 o'clock.
number.
Very good, very good. Okay, let's continue today. Aside of numbering 5, 10, 15, 20.
20.
So, kailangan natin pag-aralan na itong number. Pagdating kasi sa orasan, hindi na, itong maliit, ang turo nito ay 5. 5, 10.
Ito 5.
Okay, wait lang na.
Ano
Ay, gawin
do?
mo 130, 230, 330, ganon.
430.
Tapos magiging 510. Matalino sa mga kasi yan eh.
30.
Tinunahan na ako, di ba?
30.
O, ano?
5, 30. 6,
Saka yung kay MPM, alam mo dapat yan.
Okay, yan. 5,
5. 6,
10 yan.
10.
Okay, it's a difficult for you. Ha?
Tubig!
Kanya mo muna, syempre. Nawaw na yung ano boss eh. Ito pa lang yan, be. Masyado kang hard kay Ian.
Itong orasan ngayon.
1, 2,
Alam niya lang yung mga numbers.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Pero at least alam niya na yung itsura ng ano.
11,
1 o'clock, 30, ganyan. Paano ba nasimulan ko?
Ano ba sisimulan ko? Okay.
Pati siya, nahirapan, di ba?
12. Nahirapan na ako sa sapatos.
Ano sapatos pala? Kalot. Pabari mo muna kasi, ba't naman nakasapatos ka na kagad? Excited ka? May medyasan pa natin kasi yan.
Okay, ito. Simulan natin. Sige, ito.
Ang ba't sapatos, dali.
Dandahan.
Dahan-dahan ba? Masugatan nga naman yung kanyang puwet.
Okay, ito yan. 5,
5,
Willing to learn din ng bata, oh.
10,
10,
10,
15,
20,
20,
25,
25,
30,
30,
35,
25,
40,
40,
55, 50, 55,
55,
60.
60.
Okay. 12 to 5. This. No.
Grabe siya. ang hard niya.
Don't move the small
Kasi yan.
arrow. Huh? Don't move the small arrow. Only the long arrow.
Okay.
12 to 5. This is the 12, right?
Okay.
Okay. This is the 12. So, the small is in the 12.
Well,
Don't move the small on the 12. Huh? Okay. We move only the long.
Ahem.
Okay. Where's the 5? Here. 12 to 5.
Mali. Dito yung 5.
Ibang 5 yung alam niya. Ay, sa'yo, hard to get niya pa yung ganyan eh. Ayaw mo muna siya sa mga 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Hindi pa kaya yung ganyan may paano. Hanggang 1:30. Masyado
Busy ako dito.
Yan, arali mo yan, ha? Tago na, magsalo na naman.